So, Bri, today's a big day.
Hey, it's drift day.
It's not any drift day, though.
It's road course day.
It's road course day. So, if you guys are new to the channel, we're here at Thompson Motor Speedway in Connecticut, hosted by Lock City Drift. And today, we get to drift the road course. And the road course isn't a drift course by any means. It is exactly what it sounds like. It is a road course. It is an autocross track. I don't even know. It's fast. And it is definitely not made to drift. But occasionally, we get lucky enough to try and drift it. And today, we have the E30 for that, and I'm a little terrified because this is a fast course. I don't know exactly what to expect with this car because this car is literally just a stock E36 drivetrain with a nice angle kit and some pretty paint. So
you got big things. I'm supposed to go on the clubhouse circuit later today, so I got big things.
Oh my God,
today.
yeah. So Brian's only been on the skid pad. He hasn't drifted any track yet, but that's just how you start. And today, Brian, if he's lucky, we'll get to hop on to the clubhouse competing circuit for the first time. So
I'm definitely nervous about that, but at least I'll get some seat time before I hop right in.
Yeah, break them in a little bit. So I put new tires on front and rear that I've never used before. So fingers crossed that they both grip up pretty good, and we'll see what happens.
It's going to be better than the last time.
Hopefully, we'll see. So we haven't touched the car at all. Last event, it was breaking up towards the end of the event, and I changed injector seals, seemed to fix it. So hopefully that's about it, and we're ready to party today. So.
Oh yeah, go kill him.
Thank you, homie. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. So let's see how she does. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I kind of botched the entry, but I still got to learn where this car can grip, where this car's gonna grip and stuff.
It feels a bit scary.
Does it feel scary?
A little bit scary.
I'll get it down.
You'll get it down, I know that, but it's
the
more
entry,
just like not knowing.
I know I want to get the entry, but like I need to either go ridiculously fast, whip it really hard. Looks like we're gonna whip it really hard and go really fast.
I know. It's so scary. I think it's a little bit like nerve-wracking because it's also like you doing it for the first time. So I don't know what's going on.
Let's go fast and whip it hard. Definitely didn't link the whole course that time, but I felt a line on the entry that might get me to link the straight, and I'm pretty pumped about it. So. Look who decided to show up. Where is he? Where is he?
What's up, buddy?
Yo, it's been a long time since you've been in one of these things.
Dude, it's been a fucking 2 months, I think.
It's been yeah. This ain't no S13, but it's fun.
I can't, dude. I saw you coming down the hill while I was walking over the bridge. Killing it.
Thanks, homie. Definitely no S13. I can't just kind of like power my way through a bad line. I'm still figuring out the exact line I want to take. Then we're gonna take it and go faster. Ready, RJ? I'm ready.
God damn!
Not bad, right?
I've never been on the road course.
Yeah, it's a big change.
Holy shit! That was awesome. That was so cool.
The road course is a blast, isn't it?
Oh man, that was so cool.
You like it?
That was so dope.
And this is just a little E30, baby.
That was awesome. I can't imagine what this is like in the S13.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
I feel guilty. I've been manjing the straight. Sorry guys, but it's fun because like this car is like tiny enough that even with it you manjing the straight, you still carry mad speed, so I don't feel too guilty doing it. So, but besides that, E30 is cooking. You know, no, I don't have to clutch kick anything or anything. So let her eat. Yeah.
Do you see? That's some nice stuff right there. Holy shit. OEM on.
Gran Turismo Motorsport over there.
That blue, not Subaru blue, but that blue, you know?
As per usual, I just give the camera to whoever's around and just hope they film something good. So RJ, I hope those clips are fire.
I think they're straight.
They're straight?
Fuego.
Okay, awesome. So the road course is kind of hard to film, but this car is awesome. I mean, I'm having a hard time figuring out what I want to do in the straight because like manjing it's sick because I can manji and keep my speed up, but like, I mean, the whole thing is don't manji the straight, so I don't want to be that guy, but it's freaking long. And I like kind of linked it like twice today, but I had to like basically dirt drop the outside and then tire drop the inside just to like then make it, but whatever, I'm happy. This thing's doing amazing. The car is really fast. Like, does it look fast compared to other drivers?
Yeah, it does.
Because like, well, I'm having a blast. We're just blowing through tires, so let's change the tires, go have more fun, but what do you think?
I'm having a blast.
Yeah?
It's doing great out there, man. It looks real good.
Not bad for a little dirty 30.
Oh, for real. I'm very impressed.
We gotta call it the sturdy 30 now.
Yeah.
How does he do it? I don't get it.
So they're giving the upper B-class guys 45 minutes to drive the clubhouse circuit for the very first time, which means Brian's gonna be drifting the clubhouse circuit for the very first time, which is huge. This is the first time Brian's ever drifting a track, like anything other than a skid pad and obviously some road stuff. So he went out already, we missed it, his first run. He did surprisingly, I mean not surprisingly, he did really well. I mean it's B-all, what do you expect? and he's about to go up very, very shortly again, and I'm excited to see how he does. I have high hopes. I have high expectations for B-Hall.
Let's go catch his run.
Look who's back. What do you think?
That was so fun.
First time on a track, baby.
That was so fun. I forgot I have a shitty haircut.
Which, by the way, guys,
Somebody butchered my crap. But either way, forget all that. Clubhouse circuit is amazing. The first lap was like a little, I was just feeling it out.
well, we missed it, so screw it.
That's all right. The second lap, I was like, man, you just gotta go for it. And from then on, I was good to go. Man, I was so hyped.
Yeah, you know, screw the skid pad, right?
Yeah, it was so awesome. And I didn't spin out, like, really. I fucking made it. That
Hell
was
yeah, buddy.
sick.
Nice work. I think we're all very impressed. Nice work, kid.
I'm so pumped.
Ow, ow, ow,
You started that.
Hey, Bri. Want to drive the E30?
Yeah, man. Oh, the booster seat.
I don't have much tire left, and it's open drift right now, and I really want Brian to feel out the E30. So, I'm taking on the skid pad and see what he thinks.
I haven't even driven this on the street. I've never driven this at all.
Jesus.
Maybe third gear.
Maybe third gear. Holy shit.
Oh! Let's try third.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, I pulled a B-hole and I zoomed in.
Oh!
No! Oh my God!
I'm never gonna let you live that down.
I pulled a Brian and I zoomed in the whole time. Ah! How'd it feel though?
Dude, this thing feels great. I feel like I'm relaxed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's not a lot of movement. It just does its thing. It's comfy. All right, let's go kill the tires on the road course. I just want to drive this thing home. Like, I don't want to stop driving this.
I can drive the truck home.
I gotta get this thing. I need to get this thing registered.
Oh
ASAP.
yeah, we should probably do that first. Huh?
Yeah, it's legal. It's good. So,
Ring, ring.
man, I just want to keep driving this thing. I love this car. Well, later, y'all.
You're so tinted.
All right, so we're getting kicked out. It's late. Today was sick. Brian did amazing. The E30 did absolutely amazing. I cannot believe how well this car did on the road course. Actually, no, I could believe it because we got a taste of it before, and I knew it was going to do amazing. And I'm just still so surprised at how well this car just carried speed, carried transitions, and just raged. I mean, it makes 200 horsepower.
It wasn't a fluke the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
She's a steady girl.
And the road course is a hell of a lot faster than the clubhouse circuit. So, and B finally got a taste of it too, which is cool.
Dude, I loved it. It tasted good.
So Brian, also big monument for him. He drifted the clubhouse circuit for the first time, which is first track drifting. Did amazing, and I know it sparked a fire under his ass because it's so much fun.
It's just too much fun.
So besides that, today was just awesome. I don't know what to say. I don't know what we got for footage. Hopefully it's good. I was just drifting all day. B was just drifting all day, and I gave RJ the camera, and we'll see what came out of it. So if whoever's watching still, whoever made it through this video, we appreciate you so much.
Thank you for watching. Today's been a great day. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for sending us a comment. We're gonna read them.
And then, yeah, thank you. So we're hungry, we're tired. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And B,
We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.